everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to add a custom image to a shirt using Sims 4 Studio and GIMP. It's actually pretty simple once you get the hang of it, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own unique clothing designs for your Sims. Let's get started. Alright, so first you want to find you a shirt, and I'm going to go with a basic t-shirt. And I've already downloaded this, but once you download it, you will go to Files, Documents, Sims 4 Studio, Mods, and you'll save it in here. Okay, and there's the shirt. Okay, and once you have that, you'll go and find you an image. Again, I already have this image, and please make sure it is a PNG. You'll right click, save image as. I already have it, so I'm not going to save it again. But if you see an image that you like and it is not PNG, you can always go to remove.bg/upload, and that is how you can remove the background to any shirt. Okay, so I can just did that one. So let's just say I wanted to do this. Just do that, and then it'll erase the background for you. And that's pretty much it. You'll click download, preview, and then you'll save that. Okay, so now that we have that, we'll open up Sims 4 Studio. Okay, we have Sims 4 Studio open, and put your creator name, go to cast, click that and let it load up. Alright, now once you have that loaded up, you'll go to custom, and then you'll look for that shirt. And here it is right here. You go to next. So you just save it, and I have a folder that I use. It's easier to find, and I'm just going to save it as that because I already did one, so I'm gonna do it again and just replace. Okay, there you have your shirt. All right, and once you have that, you will go to export. Again, here's where all the other shirts I've made. So I'm gonna do this one again, save, and just replace it just because I've already done it. Okay. So now we'll open GIMP. Okay, now that you have GIMP open, you'll go to File, Open, and you'll look for that PNG, and there it is. Okay. So if you want to zoom in so you can see it better, just press Z and then zoom in that part. Okay, and that's better. Also, if you want to change the color, you'll go to Colors, Colorize, and then you can go in and try to figure out what color you want. Like this one, be a purple. And that's how you'll also make your different swatches. So you just press OK, and then I don't advise messing with lightness because it will take out all the shadows, and then it'll pretty much just look like your shirt has been colored on. That was my first mistake when I made my first shirt. So I don't advise that. But if you want to change, go through here, here, kind of just makes it a little darker or lighter. Just don't, like I said, don't mess with the lightness. I think I'm gonna go this color right here. All right. So now that you have that set, you'll click OK. Then you'll go to File, Open, and you will look for that picture that you saved. To remember where I saved it, I think it was in Downloads. And it does show you the image on the side right over here, so you can make sure that it's the right one. All right, so here's the image here. All right, so since the shirt is sideways, we'll have to turn this image sideways. Go to Tools, excuse me, Image, and then we'll go to Transform and we'll rotate. Okay, and now that you have that, drag it here, place it above, and there it is. So to move it down, that's the front of the shirt. So you want to make sure that you scale it down to your liking. And you can lock this if you don't want it to move freely. Sometimes that's easier. Just scale it down. You have it to your liking. Just place it how you want to. Go to File, Export As, and you can save it as the same thing and press Enter. Place, Export. Okay. Back into Sims 4 Studio. Import the shirt. Open. Mine is kind of sideways, so I'm going to fix that. This way, just attack. File. Export as. Turn. And you just play around with it until you get it to how you like it. See if that fixed it. That's a little bit better. I like that better. Okay. And so if you got it to your liking, you can change this color so it'll kind of match. Okay. And then if you want to do another one, just add swatch. Probably do sure you're clicked on the shirt. It's pretty. It takes away the other. So I'm color and it's okay. And do the same thing. File, export as, save it as the same thing. Place. Export. To your Sims 4 Studio. Import. Open. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Just change that color as well. Probably about right there. Okay. Then once you have that, if you're good with your swatches, save. And then go to File, Save As, and make sure you save it in your mods. Okay. Then save and click yes. I already have made one, so all right, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.